everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video, we are making the romantic vintage tags today. So I made so many. Let's go over the die. Here is the die here. You do not get this one, the spider web. So you do get 3 tags, 3 different sizes. You'll also get 6 flowers and 3 different sizes as well, and it comes with 9 pieces. So that is all of the tags. Let's go over the information. So this is a scrapdivadesigns.com tag die. Here is all of her information: Instagram, YouTube, and the hashtag. Be sure to check out that hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters, and you will not be sorry. I mean, everyone on this design team is amazing. Use V10% for a discount. I went ahead and did this in Frank Garcia, so these are all made already. So I'm going to do another similar one. So I'm going to move this to the side. But this is the Say Cheese Halloween by Simple Stories collection. I did have some remnants of it, and so I also printed some printables. I only did the images here, so the characters as well as the balloons as well as the tombstone, that is printables. The rest is the actual kit. So my printer does not print like huge images very clearly, but small like this, it prints very good. So I went ahead and did this for the printables, and I think they came out really nice. I'm going to show you, oops, here really fast. Here are the printables, and I just love how they came out. I also made a Mickey head, and all I did was I went on my silhouette design program and did circles. So they're just 3 circles, and I just put them together and made a Mickey head. However, you can go on Etsy and find a Mickey silhouette, so you could create one of these as well, or use your dies. Cut out 3 circles, 2 of the same size, 1 larger, put them together, make a template. You can make a template for this too, so with your dies, and you can use the Essentials dies by Scrap Diva Designs. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm also using this die and for the sprigs here. So you have the option of adding sprigs to your flowers. I'm also using the gumball add-on for the Halloween, and that will be linked below as well. So I'm using the spider web for that. Okay, so here's my flower here. I have already made one, and I also have the diamond dots for it. So I'm using diamond dots for the center. I'm also using this ribbon from Celebrate It, Michaels, and all, as well as this twine. This one is from Dollar Tree. However, you could get twine anywhere, any craft store. So let's go ahead and get started really quick. And so what I've done here already, I've prepped my tag. I also have a backing for this as well. And what I'm not showing here is this here. So these are napkins. I believe it was last Halloween. I purchased some napkins from Joann's, and I was going to do a tutorial on this. However, I never got to it, so there it is. And let's go ahead and glue these together. So this is going to be one of those free, almost live videos. I'm gonna try not to edit as much as possible. So let's go ahead and get this started. And I'm just poking all the holes out. I do have a pokey tool, but I forgot to take it out. I always hide those because of my son. He just loves sharp objects. And I think it's because he's not allowed to have it. So everything that he's not allowed to have, he wants. And so let me go ahead and use some Barely Arts right here. And this is what I do for intricate areas, is I use the Barely Arts, and then for the rest I use my hot glue. And oh my goodness, my hot glue is just, my glue gun is a mess. it is a mess. So let's put this together. And usually I'm up close looking to make sure that everything is set right, but since the camera is in the way, I cannot put my head in there. So I'm having to deal with that. And let me go ahead and cut this piece here. Okay, cut that. And we are just about there. I'm gonna close my glue here. And let's go ahead and glue Mickey's head. So I already know where to put the glue at. So I'm just adding it. And I'm going to place it right under the hole because we need that hole for our ribbon. So there's Mickey's head. Now let's go ahead and add this here. And I think I have a smaller one. I sure do. So I'm gonna use this one here. So here's that, and this is where I put it down here. Add some glue. Add this right there. I placed it right above the ruffle of the tag, and I just wanted that ruffle to be peeking through just a bit. I'm gonna snip off, or you know what? Let me do this. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. Let me pull this side too. There we go. I'm gonna cut it. So I'll cut that. This needs cut too. Here we go. And okay, so there is our base is ready. I want to add this, so I'm gonna add it right there. Okay, that's going there. This is gonna go right there. So I am going to add some foam. So here's some foam really quick. Add some glue. Okay, next piece is this, the tombstone. So I will be double layering on the foam. Okay, how many minutes? We got 5 minutes in. And put that there. Oops, I was gonna do the tombstone first. Let's do the tombstone. So I'm having storage problems, so I need to go pick up some USB thingies and transfer all of my videos on there. I almost went live. I was gonna do the live thing, however, I have lots of noise here, so you never know what's gonna happen in my house. So someone just might just come down screaming. You would never know. So let's go ahead and do the flowers. So what I do is I just pinch it up, just like Paige Evans does her flowers. I love how she does her flowers. And so it's just a subtle touch, pinching the petals up. Gonna do that for all of the petals. Here we go. And since this is live, you're gonna see glue everywhere. I have this thing here. So let's get some glue. Start off with this. Put some glue. Tack the first petal down. Make sure it's centered. The next petal, a little bit of glue. And place that in the center. Now for the diamond dots, I just add some glue, grab my diamond dots, sprinkle some on, Not that much. I went overboard. Okay. See, this is all the stuff that you guys are missing in my edits. All of this stuff. So, okay, so that flower is done. Let's go ahead and place this flower on. Right there. Place this flower next to it. Right there. Let's add the sprigs. Little glue on the back and the front. Stick that in there. Let's grab another sprig. Some glue right on the back. And we're going to place it where we want it. So I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, I love that. And I'm not going to use this pumpkin because he already has too many pumpkins, I think. I think an extra one would be too much. I wish I could ask you guys, but okay, we are done here. I'm going to set that pumpkin aside. Okay, so now let's use the ribbon. So place that ribbon in the hole. Okay, grab some of this twine. I'm so glad I picked this up. I almost didn't pick this up. This was, I believe last Halloween I picked it up, and I was iffy about it because I was like, I never use orange. I rarely use orange, but I think last year I did use orange. And however, I always use like the pink one or the blue one. And so I'm just going to tie this twine around that ribbon. Okay, here we go. See, I remember doing it this way and didn't work. So there is my bow. Okay, let's pull that straight. Okay, I'm happy with it. I am happy. Okay, there we are. So now for our sentiment. So this is part of the collection. I've already prepped it. I like to back the stickers with cardstock, and also I put foam on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of glue on both. And we are gonna place it right under the bow. Nope, nope, nope. See, that wanted to stick together. Okay, all done here. And I'm just gonna fix this here. Okay, I'm gonna cut the remainder off, the excess. There we go. And there is my tag. I just love these. If you guys love Disney, I know you're gonna love these. So all done. Next video. So that concludes the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Did I show these? I made these as well. So these, if you guys want these, they'll be in my shop. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.